Here's how you can file a tax extension on TurboTax. You'll need to go up to the Help window, which is in the upper right. And this is like a chat window. And so when we click on this Help window, it's going to pop open and basically say, what do you need help with? What you'll want to type in is just the word extend. And so when we type that in, it's going to load up basically this option here. The deadline to file an extension is April 15th, 2025. That would be as of this tax year, right? For the 2024 taxes. And then you'll have until October 16th to finalize your return with TurboTax. So basically, it's going to give you this little button after you say extend that will allow you to click to start to file that extension. And so when you click on that, it's going to load the page where you can file an extension. And so down here, you can basically say, I need to start an easy extension. You click through that and then follow the steps to file an extension on TurboTax.